Hi, this is Mike and welcome to the WebEasy Professional 8 Rollover Image tutorial. And today we'll be making this rollover image right here. Super easy to make and it's extremely basic. Just two images. When you scroll over it, it changes. Alright, let's get started. Let's go into the program. Let's get our tools set up. So we'll click Edit down here. This brings up all our tool sets. We'll be using the Arrange tool set. And then the tools will be displayed right up here. Now these are the images that we're going to use for our rollover image. There's three things that you have to do. You have to make sure that the images are the same size, in the same location, and that they're grouped together. So let's start with making them the same size. You can do the first two steps in either order, doesn't matter, but you have to do group last. Just keep that in mind. So we're going to start with size. Click the one that we want to change. Hold Control, left click the larger image. Go into the Fit tab there. Then click the size. Make the same size. And then click OK. Now that they're the same size and they're still both highlighted, we can go ahead and align them. So click the Align tool, align left, and then align top. Lastly, you'll have to group them together. Click the Group tool, and then click Join. And that's basically all you have to do to make the rollover image. With all those three steps, WebEasy automatically makes it a rollover image. But if you want to verify, you can go over here, click Properties. Under Attribute, the type will say Group, and then Is Rollover attribute will say Yes, meaning it is a rollover image. And if you want to further verify, you can go to click the Build, Preview with. I suggest that you preview both with Explorer and Firefox just for extra safety, I guess, because sometimes there's minor glitches in either web browser. But today I'll just do the Firefox. And there it is. So simple to make. But yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.